Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this absolutely spectacular 1961 Jaguar E-Type. It's a 3.8 Roadster, early car, welded in bonnet louvers and flat floor. Hop on in, do a cold start, and we'll tell you all about it. Okay, good morning. We're going to do a little cold start in our 61 Jaguar E-Type, flat floor, welded bonnet louver, 3.8 Roadster, key on, neutral, choke up, choke lights on, fires right up, oil pressure comes up, we'll warm her up, and we will be back to you.